everyone, this is the Rector Street, New York City. It's quite high in building.
But we still need 6 players minimum.
We go this way, it's Broadway. So soon we're gonna walk to Wall Street. Okay, right here is the church, and between that buildings is the World Trade Center. This way here is Rector Street. Gonna walk straight, go to the Hudson River and Battery Park. So take the R train, get off at Rector Street. Now let's go to the Wall Street. So here also we have a subways 405. Right here, subway station. It's here on Broadway and Rector Street. You want Wall Street? And walk this way. Go to Battery Park. That's on Rector Street and Broadway. So this place very famous in New York City. Everybody they come to visit New York City, so they come to Wall Street. It's a Wall Street. Before they don't put that big plate, so now they put the big. So you want to get here is the Broad Street station. They have a J and Z's. Here a lot of people come to visit, but most of the time full of people come to visit here. So this building is that of Wall Street. There it is. Very famous in New York City. If you walk that street, you're gonna go to World Trade Center. Alright, that one is New York Stock Exchange. That building. New York Stock Exchange. So everybody's here, they know it about New York Stock Exchange. That building. This one here is Federal Hall, National Memorial 26 Wall Street. Right now, we're gonna walk around Wall Street. This here is Subway. J and Z take you here. Also, you take the R train, get off at Richter Street. And you take a seat. He brought also they have shopping around also. And then we walk straight to the Barry Park by the Hudson River. We just here to the exchange. This building here is Broad Exchange. This place here is very famous. Everybody come here, they make a photo, videos. Okay, here's they have a Bowling Green park. Very nice, good place. Come to sit down over here. Sit down here, especially in the summer. So this is the National Museum. This here, city bike, Bowling Green, subways, 4-5.
Like one day, keep going.
Now next week I will come up, go to visit Berry Park, so you could see Statue of Liberty and the famous restaurant. It's time to go now. There's those on the subways, Bowling Green subways. It's going down.